Hi there. In this video, we will learn how to create a drop-down list which is often used to create forms and for accurate user input. For example, I wish to have a drop-down which should have these three values: accepted, rejected, or under review. Any invoice which may be submitted for payment, it may be accepted, it may be rejected, or it may be under review. So this kind of a drop-down, let's see how to populate one. First, I choose a cell, I go to data. Within data tab, I look for data validation. Within data validation, I choose the first option which says data validation. Okay. Now, by default, it says validation criteria. Now, your question could be, why is it called validation in the first place? Let me tell you why. Let's assume in this drop down cell, I wish to give a word yes and I will press enter. Notice it is prompting you that this particular input is invalid. It's not valid. So you wish to try and correct that, or you wish to cancel that. So this is validating the user's input and hence called validation. So I go to data tab, I go back to data validation, and therein I say please allow not any value, allow a list. Now when I choose list, it says source. That means what are the values which are going to be there in the drop down list? What is the source of those values? Now there are few ways in which the source can be populated. One way is you can write by hand in words. So accepted, comma, rejected. And if I just put in two values, let's see what happens as I press OK. Aha, I have accepted, I have rejected. Now there's another way. I choose the next cell, data validation. This is the second approach with which a drop down can be generated. So I go to allow, I say list, and in the source, instead of typing those things in, I choose the values directly from these three cells. What does it say? It says A2 colon A4, signifying the range selection. As I press OK, notice it's taking all the three values. And just one thing, in case you delete any one of the cell values from the given list, you'll notice the drop down also shows a blank, since it is directly correlated with the cell value which you have posted here. Now apart from this, there's one more way which I believe is the most efficient way, and I'll show that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed our YouTube videos, and I really appreciate that if you could subscribe to our videos, which will also encourage me to give more such videos in the times to come. And you can also watch some of our popular programs which have been liked by a lot of viewers. See you soon.